How to do a green screen cutout in Capcut. What's up everybody, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can do that. So the very first thing you're going to have to do is import your background video. So as you guys can see here, I've imported my background video and also my green screen video. What you're going to do now is add an overlay for your green screen. So to tap on the green screen video clip and then scroll to the side until you find the overlay option. Just tap on overlay. Once you do that, you're going to have to move this to a new layer. So I'm just going to go ahead and move it here. And after this, what you can do is simply go ahead and adjust the background video to your green screen video as well. And you can shorten it if you want. So I'm just going to shorten it up to here. Alright, so once you find the background video, just select it, scroll to the side, and then from here, you're going to have to select background remover. So scroll to the side and then tap on remove BG. Now select chroma key, and you're going to have to select this green screen right here. And then once that is done, you can adjust its intensity so that it doesn't show the green background. So I'm just going to increase the intensity and then tap on OK. Now as you can see, if I start playing the video, the overlay is working perfectly fine. If you want, you could also move this character wherever you want. So let's say if I want it right here at the bottom left, I'm going to move it here and then play it. So that's pretty much it, guys. There you go. That's how you remove the green screen cutout on CapCut. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys. I'll catch you on the next one.